What if your new favorite top could be made by you in just one evening? Meet the Vegas cropped t-shirt, a modern, effortless piece with a relaxed fit and clean lines that make it look stylish with anything. It's easy to sew, beginner-friendly, and designed to become a staple in your wardrobe. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to create your own Vegas top. Let's start sewing. Step 1. Cutting the pattern pieces. Prepare the fabric for cutting. Keep in mind that stretchy knit fabrics are required for this cropped t-shirt. If you are using natural fibers such as cotton or viscose, pre-wash the fabric before pressing and cutting to prevent shrinkage. When transferring the pattern pieces onto the fabric, be sure to mark all notches and fold lines. Step 2. Shoulder seams. Place the front and back pieces right sides together, aligning the shoulder seams. Sew along the shoulder lines. An overlock, serger, is recommended, but you can also use a zigzag stitch with a small stitch length and width on a regular sewing machine. Press the seams gently without stretching. Step 3. Neckline finish. Join the short ends of the neckband to form a ring. Fold the neckband in half lengthwise, wrong sides together. Pin the neckband to the right side of the neckline, matching all marks. Sew the neckband in place and press carefully without stretching the neckline. Step 4. Side seams. Fold the t-shirt right sides together, aligning the side seams and notches. Sew the side seams. Press the seams toward the back. Step 5. Bottom band. Armhole finish. Fold the bottom band in half lengthwise, wrong sides together, and lightly press the fold without stretching. Fold the armhole bands in half lengthwise, wrong sides together, and lightly press. Join the short ends to form a ring. Pin the folded band to the right side of the t-shirt, matching all marks, and sew. Join the short ends to form rings. Pin the bands to the right side of the armholes, matching all marks, and sew. Press the seam carefully without stretching the fabric or the band. Step 6. Back neck seam finish, optional. Fold the edges of the twill tape inward. Fold the neckband seam allowance toward the garment. Place the twill tape over the seam and stitch along the upper edge. Then fold the neckband back and stitch the tape along the lower edge to secure. Step 7. Top stitching. Top stitch along the shoulder seams, neckline, and bottom band using a straight stitch. Step 8. Final touches. Customize your t-shirt with heat transfer designs or decorations to match your style. And just like that, your Vegas cropped t-shirt is finished. Simple to make, beautiful to wear, and endlessly versatile. This is the kind of top you'll want in every color. We hope this inspires you to sew more, create more, and enjoy every piece you make. See you in the next project.